Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and choosing the location. You need a solid anchor point. Use a stud finder to locate a stud and mark the vertical center where the board will hang. Next, measure and mark the standard mounting height at the center of the bowl for your setup. Make sure the mark is level and unobstructed. Once done, position the mounting bracket against the mark and confirm alignment with a spirit level so the board will hang straight. Now you fasten the bracket to the wall. The how matters for long-term stability. Drill pilot holes aligned with your bracket holes, which prevents wood splitting and ensures screw engagement. If you hit a stud, use lag screws. If not, install heavy-duty anchors or toggles rated for the board's weight. Tighten screws until the bracket is secure and flush. Do not strip the fasteners. Once the bracket is mounted level, hang the dartboard briefly. You finish by hanging the board and confirming its final position and stability. Hook the board onto the bracket, engage any locking screw or tab, and verify the bullseye is at your marked height. Small shifts can be corrected now. Apply gentle pressure and throw a couple of test darts to confirm there's no rotation or wobble. If it moves, tighten fasteners or add support. If problems persist, reposition the bracket onto a stud or upgrade to heavy-duty anchors for reliable long-term mounting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.